Stephen running! Run! Run in the rain! You wet?
Fucking soaked! That is not nice. It feels like you've come out of a
Cold
shower
shower?
with your clothes on.
That's
I
madness.
feel like a dog.
That's
No, how
madness.
Teddy feels.
We came to the beach to take some pictures for my Candy Crib page, link here. But it's very rainy, if you can see. If it'll adjust, yeah. So we've got a McDonald's.
This is my McDonald's 6 chicken nuggets.
And Stephen's laughing at me. But I thought, why not be brave and take photos in the rain? Why not? You're not going to die from the rain unless I get, what's it called, hypothermia. Which I hope I don't. But I thought it was nice scenery for it. If I can see the scenery. If it'll adjust. Yeah. Listen to this rain. Look at it on the road. And oh my god, close the door, it's getting so. And I think, should I do photos outside? I really wanna. Na 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 na, ba-dum ba-dum, ba-na-na-na-na. Oh.
Is that a bit nipplage?
No, not nippleage, see?
Listen to that rain!
What about up here?
No, put my skirt down. Listen to the rain.
Holy hell.
Oh my god. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
Check it out. Check out the foot. Jelly bean.
It's not a foot, it's a jelly bean. See, people, it says here jelly bean, and Teresa
It
says
says
it's
jelly
a shoe.
belly.
Same thing.
It's a shoe.
It's not a shoe.
We went outside and it's raining and it's raining. And that was great fun. Look at my shoes though. Monkey. I'm gonna fall.
I swear I do not know this person.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
You better be kidding.
I took the photos. So if you need a good photographer, then just ask.
Yeah, right. But I love it. It's raining. I want to go for a walk over there. Let's go.
Drive further up if you want.
No, walk. I said walk.
Drive further up and then
Walk.
get out over there.